Mo. Hey.
Hey. Hi.
Hello.
Once again, we're here.
Yes, we are.
And today, I think I had showed you a look with this palette, and I said that we will be uploading videos soon. Well, guess what? It's time for that palette.
Yes.
It is the Fenty Beauty palette.
The Moroccan spice.
Esatto, il-Moroccan spice quality. And these are all the colors at the back with the name, so very convenient package, very nice, and all the colors at the back. So with the colors, there are different areas. There's gold, there's also blue and grey, so that you do a smoky eye. And then there are the purples, the pink, there's neutrals and burgundy, esat. I like it. And obviously to continue on the trend of the Moroccan spice palette, obviously the names are exactly
Moroccan eyes,
what you understand.
Mirage, Casablanca,
cumin,
get it,
come and get it,
Taiba,
nuts and dates,
Sukitame,
I don't know, evil genie, shisha smoke.
Nigerians, here we go.
Very nice. First off, the package, I love. It is one of the most rigid nasib palettes that I have, because usually
they're cardboard.
Usually ma cardboard, ovvjament skont il-materjal li tkun qed skont il-brand li tkun qed tixtri. So I do like the package. It's purple, it has that smoky thing effect, I like it. And then when you open it up, you have the mirror and the colors. Look guys, you see them? They're beautiful. 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 Għadda ma neħiċ il-packaging tal-mera ħallejta,
Don't.
Imma bħala koluri sissa, I tried the goldish ones, and I tried the peach and the, what is this color? Burgundy?
I call it burgundy.
It's called like burgundy. I don't know if this is, let me see what it's called. It's called
Saffron.
Saffron. A lot. So we're referring to this color because we have no idea what it's called. So, anyway. So this is Thea's first time using it, and I think she's very excited. So you can go away and choose whatever you want to. I really want to go into that blue, but I have no idea what I'm gonna. I think blue before it's more madawk.
I want to go into the burgundy and the peaches over here.
Oh, those are the favorite.
Those.
My favorite.
This color is it?
Yeah, طيبين ليه واحدة?
This color.
لا ħafna nice. They're very pigmented, as you shall see for yourself. There might be a bit of kickback, ma jista' jkun għax jiena salvaġġajt ukoll mal-pinsel, I'm like, get this on my face. Għax vera cool, imma mbagħad fuq il-back m'għandek xejn. But now we'll see it together for you guys to understand what I'm talking about, and for Thea to get the first time experience.
Mela.
Without further ado, let's start the Moroccan experience with Rihanna. I love Rihanna, man.
Me too.
I like how she also changed her career into a businesswoman. I mean, even being a singer, it's part of a business, you know, but she's taking stride and taking business in her own hands and creating her own life. I mean, she has clothes as well, yeah. It's all of that. I know.
So, I dipped into the peach color. I don't know what it's called. But it's peach.
We'll tell you. Oh wait, we have the box.
The box.
That's stupid. It's called Quicksand.
Quicksand.
Quicksand. Jien forsi ftit ħanuża quicksand, ma like ftit żgħira ġust biex ikolli xi ħaġa on the eyelid. Sempre raġuni that I want a good transition thing. It's a transition color. So how's the experience here? How are you finding it?
I like it. It's pretty.
Għandek fallout or kickback?
Kickback I had a bit, but fallout no.
Eżatt, kickback għakjena kelli. Ma d-dejjaċ. So mux ma d-dejjaċ, it's annoying having kickback on a palette, u għax tibba t-tqot naddaf madwara. U din Tarjana, I'm like, oh my god, my baby. But now the next palette, and I've been telling her, I really want the blood sugar one. Ta' Jeffree Star.
I want the Jawbreaker.
Vera?
I like the colors. It's different. And on Beauty Bay there's a sale, and on the small one. I don't know.
On this one of the 6 colors, you know, Imma dawk eyeshadows, jew.
There's the highlight and there's the eyeshadows as well.
Ekkon sajlek, tipo.
There's both. They're on sale.
Kemmu generous Jeffrey Hasra. I don't know if you're watching right now, but I've been telling Thea to get on it. There is the series of Shane Dawson with Jeffree Star, The Beautiful Life of Jeffree Star. And seeing these episodes, one, tipo, I feel so poor. So poor. Two, vera beda imperu, Jeffrey, tipo, you wouldn't even imagine that he's, you know, that good. Mm-hmm. I mean, not because it's not good, I'm saying that he has it good, you know, tipo, he really worked hard for his money and all that, but he has all these warehouses and business deals, and, you know, it's just incredible for a person that was just like us starting off, and now he has his own area and his own manufacturing site. Like, how is that possible? Sorry, I went off track.
It's okay. I was just gonna say I really like this peach color. It's pretty. And I need to sneeze. Here. There.
Sorry, hey.
Sorry.
You need it. You need it.
You need it, you sneeze it. Okay. I'm gonna dip into the burgundy, sorry I cut you off.
I dipped into, let me tell you, Fez up. Fez is a place in Morocco, no?
Maybe.
Yes, it is. Min mintu fetħu l-flights Blair Malta għalem. Kulħadd ovvjament qed imur u sewwa jagħmlu, and everyone is right like everyone is obviously documenting their experience.
In Fez?
In Fez, one part is Fez of Morocco. Beautiful country. And imagine that she got inspiration from there. Moroccan spice. Would you go to Morocco if you had the chance to go there? If you had the chance to visit?
I would go, yes, I want to go.
It's nice, it's try. I don't know, sometimes I'm skeptic about things.
I'm scared to go, I don't know why. Yeah, it's a bit safety-wise, but I want to go.
I thought, you know, it's this product myself. I mean, safety-wise, they kollox. So, ma nafx if it's my perception of things, if it's just me, or us, ġo.
It's pretty. Okay. So with this, I think I'll go for the gold.
The gold?
With these two. I don't know what that.
Nice.
What do you think? Or this? Was there like...
You could. I think the possibilities are endless. ħafna, ħanibda nitħawat infatti. Jesus Almighty Christ, help.
You dipped in the blue?
No, I dipped into the grey. I never dipped in that before. I don't know, with certain colors I'm scared. Because I wouldn't know exactly with what to match it. And then I try to remember what clothes would I wear with that kind of color. And I translate it on my face. Does that make sense?
That's
I don't know something. I want to try it out.
Let me see.
Don't know.
Oh, that's nice. Yeah, it's a shimmer.
Yes.
It's not.
And it's a shimmer. I'm trying to build it up.
Ooh. I like it.
You know, I started an experiment, guys, so I went with the blue, and I have no idea because I don't really use blue in my life.
It's nice, it's different. Sorry, I'm a bit tired.
Okay.
Sorry, I am.
Or you can be hungry as well, which I could do. Di cute, eh?
In fact, I only had breakfast today.
I didn't eat lunch anqas, you know, għasin kunna xarbat nieħor bħallum s-sibt vera jkun ġurnata chill li mandi għabti naħseb fuq xejn. I wouldn't go out of the house like this. I would use the blue just naqaf il-kantoniera.
Makeup festival, xo namlu?
Xawri?
No, makeup.
Ma makeup mid-dara, sabri namlu.
La mid-dara, ma.
Nbida neutral tamur.
Nirza ġana roba dik tabja Maples.
L-isfar. Dik-sabija kien, dik l-isfar. Xawri, men, summa id-dara asnu.
Fittek siltu.
Siltu, n-bira.
Tembi.
Għassu għodja ħjar, issa xissa ovvjament nbidel il-temp għal-grazzja tal-la.
Ejja.
Namli jisbuddis għam dan. Il-bera vera t-peċin, ma nħiġ biex ndaħal il-karozza. Il-garaġ, il-bard għabadni.
Iż-ziffa.
Il-riħ.
Vera, kien. I like it, though. Rihan's. Not bad, Rihan's. Tafx kamen.
Taf ix għanda t-investi Rihan's.
Wassa Lady Gaga.
Lady Gags. Lady Gags, I need to see. It's pricey. Is it pricey?
Non assumi mux pallu ħrajnu.
Xta.
Rihanna olju.
Guys, this is us. Finished with the colors.
We like it.
Yes.
Please I do.
No, I like it as well. Ovvja. In biex nejt li rtnixrid il-palette and sabitieri Thea, by the way, kosat sorry. Thea found it in Milan when she went to Milan shopping for makeup.
I went to Rome, but it's okay.
I went to Milan actually. She went
I've
to
never been to Milan. Anyway,
I forgot.
it's okay.
Sorry, hey.
I went to Rome and I found this on sale.
And she found this on sale. Okay.
Alright?
35 euros. Minx 55 euros.
Eżatt.
Okay. U dik il-ġimma rġajt, actually before she went, I'm like, I might tell you to buy me this freaking palette. And I kept on postponing, telling her, listen, I don't know, if I'm gonna buy it for now, I don't know. And when she was there, she's like, Beck, it's 35 euros. I'm like, okay, just get it. It's a sign. It was a sign, and nalla mort fizmin is-sales. Jina kont mort Katania żmien is-sales tal-makeup u hekk, xi ġimagħtejn qablek hemm. I didn't find any. I mean, there were saleable items, but there weren't these things. Ovvjament inħasfu mill-ewwel u sa nagħmel. So issa nagħmel eyeliner ta'
Me too.
Għandhom murik, għam jista' jkun diġà ftit. Hi!
Hello!
I finished it off with this, guys, with the Rihanna lipstick as well. Nsejt jismu dan għal-Passions, let me see. It's the uncuffed one.
Uncuffed?
Uncuffed. Oh, wow. I like the blue. I'm, as I told you, as I was applying it, I'm very skeptic of such colors because I wouldn't know exactly what, you know, so I get anxious.
But it's nice, it's suited you as well.
Thank you.
Your eyes are... No, you do the color of your eyes, they're really popping.
Thanks, love. Tell me more. Okay, yeah, just sabi ħafna love.
Thank you.
I like it, fis-sens, I like how easy the colors are applicable. I like the shimmer, I like the matte colors, I like everything to fair. And you can use it from a day look to a night look.
Yes. It's perfect.
So, I like it. I really like it. I really do.
I do too.
Lele, ħafna. Fodri, I will keep on using this palette forevermore. And we'll keep on not buying makeup because... But we will buy makeup.
Because we have too much of it.
Because we have too much of it, but we still keep on buying. Either way.
Yes.
And there is makeup festival soon, so obviously we're gonna go there. I'm gonna show you more videos, guys, that will be uploaded obviously over here, like hauls and all that. We'll see if we're buying makeup. Probably will buy something.
I will buy something. I'm telling you, I am going to buy something.
We'll buy something. We're going all crazy.
Woo!
I want trying to go for natural and neutral products as much as possible. I'm trying to be more aware of what I am buying. I think even you I'm so more.
Yes, yes.
Recently we've had obviously the Revlon where they're paraben free and all that. The new Candid
phthalate free, fragrance free.
So we're trying to go for products that are more expensive at the same time, but they're safer and they're more environmental friendly and no animal cruelty, because no one likes that. Okay.
No.
But with that mini conversation or mini explanation or discussion, whatever you want to call it, or maybe rant. Take it however you want it. We close off over here. Obviously, you can see our looks.
You can go ahead.
Hey.
And don't forget to.
That was lame.
Don't forget to
subscribe
and hit the for more updates coming your way. And we will try to be more consistent. We know, don't shout at us.
We know,
but don't worry, we're trying our best to fit in everything. But with that being said, thank you guys for watching us. If you want to ask us questions or perhaps you want to share your looks with us of your Moroccan spice experience of Rihanna, just
let us know below.
Yes. Until then, see you next time.
Bye.